Despite significant public pressure, the coalition government is pushing on with its controversial plan to roll back New Zealand's smoke-free laws.
Christopher Luxon says they will continue to reduce smoking rates, but is refusing to commit to the same reduction goals that existed under the smoke-free policy. Political reporter Amelia Wade has more.
As a practising doctor, Shane Reti has taken an oath to first do no harm. But as the new health minister, one of the first things he'll do with his newfound power is roll back our smoke-free laws.
Is your conscience clear, or is this weighing on it?
I'm clear that I will drive down smoking rates as part of this coalition.
More lives will be lost as a result of repealing this legislation.
Dr Julian Vyas is a paediatric surgeon and has a message for his fellow doctor and the coalition.
Just don't do it. Putting the government's finances before the well-being of our citizenry is wrong for any government to do.
Are you putting profits before people?
No, absolutely not. I think it's rather disingenuous to suggest as such. We have a fundamental disagreement that policy prescription is, we don't believe it's the right prescription.
The excess tax from ciggies will help pay for tax cuts.
I'm telling you, there's a commitment for us to lower smoking across New Zealand. We are serious about that.
By the same rate.
Well, in fairness, we've been in power for 2 days, and we need to be able to get a chance for Shane and the team to get their feet under the desk and actually work out what is a good goal.
National didn't campaign on the smoke-free law stub out. It was a line item in ACT's alternative budget, and it was in New Zealand First's manifesto, but Newshub's gone back and checked, and it was only added a week before the election, after people had started voting.
The PM's now seen the cigarette light in his governing buddy's position.
You've got one store in Northland that will be a magnet for crime. Absolutely, no doubt about it. There'll also be a big drive around black market.
Correction, the former government's reduction of cigarette retailers actually allowed for 18 stores in Northland.
One of the most disappointing things about this whole sorry situation is seeing National Party ministers spout tobacco industry talking points.
National's number 3 and part of their negotiating team is Chris Bishop, a former tobacco lobbyist.
Let me just say from the outset, Philip Morris does not want young kids to take up smoking.
Labor MP Rachel Boyack alleged getting a tobacco lobbyist into Parliament has paid off.
It is disgusting, and so yes, that warrants a vomit emoji.
Did you have anything to do with the rollback of these measures?
Absolutely nothing.
But ultimately now part of the team which has to take responsibility for them. Amelia Wade, Newshub.